We are now 100 days away from the Summer Olympic Games in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Two Phoenix Mercury players were named yesterday to the U.S. Olympic women's basketball team, guard Diana Taurasi and center Brittney Griner. Taurasi is a three-time Olympic gold medalist, while this will be Griner's first appearance at the Games. And the Mercury are selling advertisement space on team jerseys, a common revenue-generating practice in the WNBA for several years now. Reporter Blake Bernard attended the team's season opening practice to see how the WNBA's success with ads could transition to the NBA.
For years, the four major U.S. sports have shied away from advertisement on team jerseys. This ended several weeks ago when the NBA decided to allow ads on team uniforms in the upcoming seasons. However, the WNBA has embraced the idea since 2011.
With the NBA doing it, they're just copying us, so.
For the Phoenix Mercury and the majority of the WNBA teams, advertisement on jerseys is essential.
A business reality for us, and it's a big deal for us. It's kind of a game changer in terms of teams and making their path toward profitability.
During the 2015 season, the WNBA averaged just over 7,000 fans per game, as opposed to the NBA's nearly 18,000. Without the advertisement, the Mercury would financially suffer.
The goal of the league obviously is long-term sustainability, and having a marquee partner across the front of our jersey is the biggest step toward that.
As for the players,
I don't really understand the opposition to it.
That's because in Europe, where many WNBA athletes play year-round, the majority of sports franchises have ads on uniforms.
You can sometimes look like a race car. You've got so many ads on your jersey, and it's never something I've ever thought about.
Still, it may come as an initial shock to NBA players.
Going overseas my first year to see all the uniforms with different sponsors just all over the shorts, all over the jersey. Back then it was kind of interesting, kind of different for me.
For the fans, the players believe they'll still show up.
Fans just want to watch the game, watch people compete, watch good players.
In Phoenix, Blake Bernard, Cronkite News.
The NBA's three-year pilot program will begin in 2017 and allow teams to sell roughly 6 square inches of advertisement on the front left of the jersey. The revenue is expected to be in the millions for each team.